Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell. This is part 2, Unexpectedly So. I am not the biggest fan of this painting, and I basically just want to mess with it. I'm going to take some of my Meeden Black and put it right down into the painting and pull it across and see how I like the result. Put it maybe the other way. I don't think I'm going to mind having some negative space. And I'm going to continue to do what I just did. I'm not sure it matters all that much to me if I have a solid line or not, so long as I have some texture that I like. I'm just going where things are calling me, and I will probably add other colors. I hadn't thought I was going to do squares, and I may not wind up doing squares in the end. I've got some pink diamond in a to-go container that needs to be used, so I'm thinking I'm going to use some of that next. But it might require a bit of a stir. Well, that was maybe more than I wanted. But we'll find out. And I'm going to leave the black on my card. And I wonder if that's a lump. Now the Meeden will often sell if you add a little bit of water to it. I kind of like that. Matter of fact, I like it enough to think I'm going to probably do it again. And I think I'm going to do it again right here. I kind of want something to dip into, but I'm going to try it all the ways that occur to me, so I'll just put it right down for right now. I kind of want more pink. I'm trying to gauge if it's lumpy or I'm pretty sure it was the scrapings out of the bottom of a bottle. Well, I gave myself enough color. I may do that a whole lot of places. Because I don't think texture is an issue. We got plenty of texture going on. I am being called to, and I'm happy to answer the call, to Blue Velvet. Let's do a little bit. No, I'm going to stick with the pink. I may have just eradicated all that blue velvet. Press down twice. I know people say you shouldn't swipe twice, but I swipe twice all the time and it's not a problem for me. You can push down and dip. Push down and solidify an edge. Maybe I'm supposed to go this way. I'm thinking I like that blue velvet a lot. And before this Meeden dries up, I think I'm going to come back in and use it. I used the same size card if you watched part 1. Not that I necessarily shared part 1, but I might have. And if you saw part 1, I used the same size playing card for everything. This is Indian Spice. It's a primary element and a prism pour. I'm hoping that what I'm doing now is going to bring some cohesion. I think I'm going to risk a little black right down there and see Happens when I pick it up first. Well, I didn't get any of my gold to speak of, so that leaves plenty of room for more. Although it gets kind of subtle when you add the black to it. There, that'll work. I don't mind if it's a little underwhelming. I will use up that pink and I will love it as I do so. I'm thinking right here. So usually you're supposed to have all the same viscosity paints according to other people, but I'll use whatever's at hand, honestly. And I like drag marks and residuals and stealing paint. And pressing my card down to take the rest of the paint off. I'm being kind of called, I'm not anything but a little bit clumsy today. I'm thinking this cerulean blue is calling to me. And I'm willing to try it to find out. I might want to put some purple with it, but I think for right now I'll just stick with the pink because the pink is working with everything I'm putting it with so far. But that made a nice color, nice cells. Let's see if there's someplace else I might want to put that. I'm almost done, I think. In any case, just based on the fact that I've created enough eye rest areas for the eye to make it not look quite as busy as it was. I'm going to just dip that, bring it back. The thing about the cerulean blue is it's very intensely colored, which means if you really want some, I wonder. Yes, cool. Ha! I like trying new things. I'm really interested in trying some of the Chantilly lace. I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about it once I do it, but I'm really interested in trying it. Especially with the residuals. I see a place that's bugging me. But I've left my bottles in the way and I can't get to it. It's right here. And I kind of want some orange in there. I've got a combination of Big Apple and Orange Crush. And I heard a rumor that they were going to maybe make some. I'm going to have to take some things out of my way pretty quick here. Maybe a little bit more right on the card. And add a few lines. At the very end of yesterday I added, ooh, that's a lot. I added some of the orange and I wasn't unhappy with it. I think I need a little bit more or a lot less. In this case I'm going for less. Because whatever does show through will be fine. Let's get my black and my white out of here. And a couple other things so I can actually rotate my turntable. and see if there's anything else I want. I kind of want some more gold. The Indian Spice is absolutely gorgeous when it dries. It's so shimmery. I kind of like that. I have the pink and the orange and the Indian Spice all on there at the same time. I'm being called to a little more black. And it might be a little more still. I'm pretty fussy these days. I'm not willing to accept whatever I get. I really want something spectacular, and I'm pretty happy with what I've done. I like the idea of a stage 2 anyway. And I like combining the colors. And I'm much, much happier. Thank you guys for stopping. I have over 2,700 videos. And should you happen to be interested in any of them, you can find them by going to my channel and searching playlists, all playlists, created playlists. Or you can just ask me because I've got them saved by topic and genre. And I'm so pleased that you stopped by. I post at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I got rid of a lot of my pink. I didn't add a whole lot more colors. I just sort of stuck to a simple theory, and I like my result. What else can I tell you? Please give me a thumbs up. I'm going to shimmer this at you in a second, so give me a minute and I'll get my phone down. And hopefully we can still shimmer something in spite of the fact that it's very dark outside and there's storm clouds, and I've got every light on in my studio to try and help us see. Oh, that's very nice now. I am extremely pleased. And thank you for being here. Did I say that already? I do sell my artwork. I also give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. The colors in here are awesome. Don't forget there's a 20% off Color Art coupon code and the link to the Color Art website underneath Show More. I am so happy with this now. Yes, satisfaction is mine today. Not every day, but today. Oh, the shimmer in there is awesome. And even the stuff that's dry. I have a new Minwax hand-applied gloss varnish I'm going to try on this, I think. Be nice to have resin. I know that Color Art has resin too, and colors for resin. So you might want to check them out. Thank you guys for the donations through PayPal or joining my membership so you can have access to the free members library or the thanks button or anything, any help that I can get. I really appreciate. Thank you for being here. My Amazon link has my 2 books on it, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And the Amazon link is on the link tree where you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Society 6, Legalers clothing. I am just completely enamored of all the cool patterns that the Black made, and I'll be doing this again. I might even have another one from last month that I didn't do a stage 2 that I probably will be encouraged to do now. Look for my paint pouring recipes underneath the video. My email address is EASPB and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. Woohoo! I'm sorry, I'm so distracted. My community board will show you tomorrow's video most nights, and I think I told you I sell my paintings and give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, but if I forgot, if I didn't, please forgive me. Ooh, shiny, I'm all distracted. All right, I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Woohoo!